Do you guys know what time it is? Let me give you just a little hint. Last year, Black Friday was the largest day in e-commerce sales in 2017, and there's estimated to be a 15 to 20% increase in sales this year. So today, we're gonna be talking about a couple of quick tips that you can utilize into your store today to maximize your sales and your profits this year on Black Friday. So let's talk about Black Friday. So last year in 2017, there was $5.3 million in sales online in a 24-hour period. So you definitely need to be prepared for it and be utilizing the holidays to your advantage. So today's video is gonna be all about prepping for Black Friday. We're gonna be talking about a couple of different apps that you should have installed on your Shopify store. We're gonna be talking about the follow-up sequence. We're gonna be talking about abandoned carts. We're gonna be talking about all of the things that you need to be doing to make the most of your Black Friday. And one of the really cool things about Black Friday, unlike the other holidays like Christmas or Halloween or Valentine's Day, all of these things, in e-commerce, because we are dropshipping, we have to stop our marketing 2 weeks before those holidays because of e-packet shipping. And so for those holidays, you're not able to sell on that specific day. But with Black Friday, all of that goes out the door because people are just shopping for deals, for discounts, for special offers. And so in this video, we're gonna be talking about all the ways that you can give the people exactly what they want and you can make the most money possible. And I really want you to put this into perspective. So last year, there was $5.3 million of sales made online. And so if you're shooting to have a $5,000 day or a $10,000 day, that is just such a tiny, tiny piece of that huge Black Friday pie. And one of the really amazing things about it is that for us, it's not just going to be Black Friday. It's also the week leading up to Black Friday that you can be running these specials and these deals and discounts. And so let's jump on my computer and let's talk about some of the strategies that you need to be utilizing this year to kick butt on Black Friday. All right, freedom fighters. So the strategies that we're gonna be going into today can be used throughout the year, but they are super important for Black Friday. So the first thing I want to briefly touch on about Black Friday is that you're not going to just be advertising on Black Friday. So you can do deals leading up the week before Black Friday and then also the 3 days after. So you have Black Friday, you have the Saturday and Sunday, and then on that following Monday is going to be Cyber Monday, which I think I might be doing a totally separate video for Cyber Monday. If you guys are interested in that, let me know. But I do want to kind of get into some of the strategies that you are going to be utilizing for Black Friday. So the first thing that we're gonna be talking about is deals, discounts, and special offers. So there are a ton of different promotions that you can be running to try to push more sales for Black Friday. So when Black Friday comes around, people go crazy for deals. And Black Friday was originally started for retail stores like Macy's, Kohl's, JCPenney's, those type of large retail stores. You'll see people outside of Best Buy camping out overnight just so that they can get, you know, the best deal on TVs and all of these things. And one thing that not a lot of people know is that most stores will actually mark the prices up and then discount off of that price so that it looks like you're saving more money. And so we can use these strategies that these stores have implemented into retail purchasing for e-commerce as well. For Black Friday, we're going to cut prices. You can run buy one, get one free promotions. You can run a free gift with any purchase over $50 or $100. You can do different deals of the hour where a different product is going on sale every single hour of Black Friday. So this first app that I want to show you is called Bold Discounts. And basically all this does is it allows you to schedule daily deals and flash sales. This is going to help you so much with Black Friday and Cyber Monday. It's going to allow you to do preset sales so you don't have to sit by your computer all day long doing it, and it is $14.99 a month or a 14-day free trial. So maybe you set this up, you know, a few days before Black Friday and Cyber Monday and just try it out. And then the next one I want to show you really quickly is Hurify, and this is a countdown timer. It's something you should be using on your Shopify store all the time, but it's going to work really well for Black Friday. It's going to create a sense of urgency to buy. You can also set up a scarcity timer with this, which would be super effective because you can show, you know, only 20 left at this price, and then once you are through those 20, you can reset the timer so that you're selling more and more of these items. So we're creating scarcity, we're creating urgency, and we're making people want to buy now. You could do limited release items, and then you could also do like exclusive Black Friday items. So this product is only going to be on your store for Black Friday at this crazy discount deal to try to drive more sales. So one thing that's really important that I want to briefly touch on is that you need to be protecting your margins when you are running these different deals and specials. So you need to make sure that the price that you're selling your products for has already been adjusted so that you're still profiting off of it. So if we're selling something for $29.95 regularly, we can't just discount it to $15 out of nowhere without checking to make sure that our margins are still going to be profitable. You also need to make sure that you're including the cost of shipping in your product and making sure that your margin is still profitable offering free shipping. Research has showed that a large percentage of buyers will actually abandon the cart if you aren't providing free shipping. So it's something that you should be doing all the time, but especially for Black Friday. You don't want to be losing out on deals for shipping, so make sure that your prices are adjusted so that you can offer these discounts and that you can offer free shipping and still make a profit. You want to make sure that you're thinking outside the box with these deals, with these promotions, and with the products that you're advertising. There's going to be so much flood of advertising on the internet on Black Friday. So many people are going to be pushing traffic, and so you have to think smarter. So when you're starting to think about the products that you're going to be advertising, maybe consider doing some type of bundle where you're not only just getting one product, but you're also getting another product with it. An idea that I recently came across that I'm thinking about running this Black Friday is to do stocking stuffers. So what you could do is you could find a couple of items that would go great into like a really unique stocking and then advertise them as one whole product and sell it for anywhere from $29.99 to $49.99 depending on the products that are inside it. And that's something that I'm really considering doing, and I want to share it with you guys just because I think it's a really unique, really cool idea. Just make sure that you let everyone know that the items are going to be shipped separately. So if you can put together some type of really unique Christmas bundle, people are going to be buying, especially if you can make it extremely targeted and really unique, unlike all of the other products that everyone is going to be selling. So think outside the box when you're picking your products, and make sure that your ad copy and creatives are revolving around the holiday and the promotions that you're running. So you might want to think about producing totally different video ads and copy and creatives just for Black Friday. So keep all that in mind. Think outside the box, do things differently, and most importantly, have fun with this, because the people that are really unique and do things that other people aren't doing, they're putting in the extra step, the extra mile, those are the ones that are going to make a ton of money on Black Friday. You need to make sure that you're telling everyone that you're running these deals and discounts for Black Friday, otherwise they're not going to know. So we're going to be retargeting all of the people that have come onto our store. You want to make sure you have lookalike audiences going. You want to make sure that you're sending out exclusive emails, notifying everyone on your social media the week before you're running the special. Notify them when you are running the specials. Let them know what type of deals you have going on. Make sure that you change the banner on your store to promote Black Friday, and then change the homepage of your actual Shopify store. Maybe get some creatives made specifically for Black Friday so that when people come onto the store, it feels festive and it is pushing the promotions that you're running. This one is so important. Make sure that you are doing these things, because otherwise I promise you, you will regret it. So you have to start your marketing well in advance. Don't wait until Black Friday to put together your ads and your copy and try to find your influencers, because you're going to fail. Okay, so for Facebook ads, you need to have your ads started well in advance. You want to know that the product that you're going to be pushing, or the products, are already profitable. You need to make sure that they're winning. Don't start advertising a brand new product on Black Friday and say, oh, maybe it'll work, maybe it won't. You need to have this set up in advance to really profit on Black Friday. So make sure your ads have social proof on them, make sure they have likes, make sure they have comments, make sure that you have your audiences and your lookalike audiences ready to go, and then be ready to scale those ads like crazy. Okay, so when Black Friday comes, you can take those ads and you can just change the copy and the creatives to fit for Black Friday. And then for influencer marketing, this one is so important. You need to reserve your influencers right now. Do not wait a week, don't wait 2 weeks, don't wait 3 weeks. Don't try to reserve your influencer on Black Friday. You have to reserve these people now, because the influencers that are popular and are going to make you sales are already getting booked out. Another thing to keep in mind is that you should be running multiple posts with the influencer on the day of Black Friday, because there's so much advertising, so many people pushing products on Black Friday that your post is gonna just get pushed through the feed. So you need to be having your influencers post multiple times, maybe change up the copy, maybe change up the creative, but make sure that you're running multiple different story and ad posts during Black Friday. You need to keep people coming back onto your site. Okay, so we're gonna be sending out exclusive emails to bring back old customers, send out chatbot messages. Make sure that your abandoned cart sequence is set up. This is so important. Email marketing is something that you absolutely have to be doing, and if you don't have your abandoned cart sequence set up on Black Friday, you are going to lose out on a bunch of deals. And I do have a video that goes a little bit more in depth on email sequencing. I'll leave it down in the description below, but please, if you're doing anything, just make sure that you have your abandoned cart sequence set up. And if you don't know what I'm talking about, basically what this means is that if someone came onto your Shopify store and they added one of your products to the cart, but they never got to the thank you page after purchase, this is tracked by pixel data, and so we know that if they didn't get to the thank you page, then they didn't purchase the product. And so we want to send them an abandoned cart sequence to try to get them to buy. This email sequence will convert so many sales for you if you set it up correctly, so make sure you check out that video if you do want more information on the abandoned cart sequence and how to set it up. MailChimp is a completely free automated email service that you can install for your Shopify store. It's gonna allow you to send out different coupons, offers, emails, and most importantly, like we talked about, set up your abandoned cart sequence. And then the last thing we're gonna talk about is increasing your cart value. So you absolutely need to have some type of upsell app on your Shopify store, and I want to show you guys exactly how this works so you can understand exactly how valuable it is. So when someone comes onto your Shopify store and they add an item to the cart, Bold Upsell is automatically going to recommend an item that is highly related to the item that you're selling. So for this example, they're selling a camera, and with the Upsell app, because it is a camera, you're gonna need a memory card, and so when you add that camera to cart, this automatically pops up, hey, do you wanna buy this memory card as well? And trust me, if you set this up correctly and your items are highly related, like this camera and memory card, then you are going to increase your cart value like crazy. You're gonna see this working and it's gonna pay for itself. So those are the things that you absolutely need to be doing with your Shopify store for Black Friday and for Q4, and most of these things you should be implementing into your store 24/7, but especially during the holiday season, because it is the most profitable time to make sales and make money during the entire year. So use this video as motivation to get yourself started. Don't let Black Friday pass and this holiday season pass and then decide to start your store, because you know what they say, the best time to start was yesterday and the second best time is right now. So make sure you're implementing and make sure that you're actually taking advantage of this. I know that a lot of you guys aren't actually dropshipping right now, and I want you to take a risk on yourself, throw yourself in. I think you'll be really surprised with the results that you get, especially during Q4, during Black Friday, because so many people are buying. And I want to take a quick moment to announce our giveaway winners. So this is our winner for the $100 Amazon gift card, and then I went a little crazy. I couldn't help myself, and I selected 3 winners for the .com secret books, here, and here. And so if you are one of the winners, make sure that you reach out to me via Facebook Messenger. Down in the description below, you will find the link. Send me a message so that I can send you your gift. So thank you guys so much again for watching and being part of this incredible community. Your guys' feedback and love and support just blows my mind, and you have no idea how much it means to me. So if you guys haven't already joined the family, make sure to hit the subscribe button down in the corner. Turn on the notification bells. I put out new videos every single Tuesday and Thursday, and I will see you guys next week.